Welcome to Fashion Index. Fashion Index is both a B2B and B2C site, helping you find resources no matter what stage of development you are in. Whether you are a small or large company, Fashion Index helps you find the resources that are appropriate for you. The number of resources available in Fashion Index range from people or fashion professionals such as designers, pattern makers, and sample makers, to full-service agencies, to material suppliers. You can also connect with facilities such as factories and print facilities, as well as wholesale product suppliers, and you can even find software solutions you may need to run your company. Find any kind of resource that is necessary in the world of fashion production. Sign in to search for resources by keywords and location. Then narrow down your results with filters or click on a popular apparel category to see the list of available resources that specialize in that product. Businesses can also list themselves on Fashion Index to gain exposure and grow their market share. Both individual users and businesses can then visit a company's profile to read a general overview of the business, as well as checking out the company's social media and connect with the company directly via messaging. All users have the ability to save listings as favorites and send companies messages directly on Fashion Index. Creating an account only takes 3 simple steps. 1. Click the Sign Up button. 2. Select business or individual. 3. Enter name and email. It's that simple. Start searching and connecting with companies. All users have access to a dashboard that allows them to quickly reference any saved vendors or companies for future projects. Simply write a message. Vendors will receive the message directly, and you can determine if they are the company that is right for you. Creating your brand and selling your product is made easier with the connections you can build on Fashion Index. Find opportunities that work for you. This new age has made it possible to build teams and work on projects with team members in a virtual space. Become a #FoundOnFI member today.